Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to get a screenshot on a Windows 10 PC. Okay, let's go to work. Today I'm going to tell you 2 ways to get a screenshots. One of the ways is to use an app that comes on Windows. The other is how to use your keyboard to get a screenshot in the shortest possible way. Okay, let's see if you get a screenshot for the first time. First, type Snipping Tool on your search bar. After that, you will show the top word Snipping Tool that you can see. You can open the app by clicking on it. Or go to the Start menu. At the bottom of it, you'll see Windows Accessories. When you click on it and go down, you will encounter Snipping Tool. You can right-click on it and pin that app to your Start bar or taskbar. I will pin it to my taskbar. By clicking on that app, you can open the app that allows you to take a screenshot. After opening it, you will see various commands on it. The mode in it shows how you can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot of the entire screen with its full screen snip. With Free from Snip, you can take a screenshot by dragging an area you like according to your needs. And with Rectangular Snip, you can highlight an area you want and take a screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot with a delay, you can set the desired delay time from delay. You can copy the screenshot you took and send it instantly via email. Also, if you want to write something on the screenshot you took, you can use this pen to write. And with the highlighter, you can highlight the places you want on your screenshot. And with the eraser, you can erase everything you have done. With this icon, you can edit the screenshot you took with 3D Paint. Okay, now let's save the screenshot we took. Go to File. Then click on Save As. You can save the screenshot in any format you want, such as PNG, GIF, JPEG, and HTML. I want JPEG, so I'll choose that. You can view the screenshot you saved from the picture-in-picture on this PC. If you want, you can save it to a location you want. Okay, now let's look at the second method. For that, press the Windows key and the PRTSCN key on your keyboard. You must have seen that the screen is highlighted as before. Okay, now let's see if the screenshot we took was saved. Okay, it was saved. Let's delete all of this and take a new one. Okay, here it is. That's also saved. So, if you think what I've told you today is good, don't forget to like and share. Also, if you want to watch more tech videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Then we'll meet again with a video like this. Until then, bye everyone.